We're going to show you how to see saved passwords on Google Chrome using a Windows PC. This can be really helpful if you've forgotten a password and need to retrieve it. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Start by opening Google Chrome on your Windows PC. You can find it in the Start menu or by searching for it using the search bar next to the Start button. If you use Chrome Sync, your passwords can be accessed on other devices as well. Ensure that you are logged into your Google account in Chrome to use this feature. You need to be logged into your Google account to see the saved password on Chrome on Windows. You are logged in if you see on the right an icon showing your profile. Click on that profile. Click on the password icon. You'll be taken to the Passwords Manager page where you can see a list of all the websites for which Chrome has saved your passwords. On this page, you can use the search to find the exact site you are looking for, or simply scroll down to find the website for which you want to view the password. Click on the site you want to see the password. You will be prompted to enter your Windows login password or authenticate using Windows Hello, if your PC supports it, to confirm your identity. You will see all of the usernames and passwords. Passwords will not be visible. Click on the eye icon next to the password you want to see. You will see the password there. Also, you have the copy icon that will help you to easily copy the password. Another way to do this if you are not logged into your Chrome is to go to passwords.google.com on any device and log in with your Google account to view your saved passwords. And that's it. You now know how to see saved passwords on Google Chrome using your Windows PC. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of time and hassle when you forget your passwords. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.